Unlocking the health benefits of baking yeast.
Hello, and welcome to our Health and Nutrition Deep Dive. Today we're going to explore an unusual but surprisingly beneficial food component, baking yeast. Though commonly associated with baking, this little microorganism has some fantastic health benefits that are not widely known. Let's dive in.
What is baking yeast?
Baking yeast, known scientifically as Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is a type of yeast used primarily as a leavening agent in baking. It converts the food, fermentable sugars present in dough into carbon dioxide and ethanol via fermentation, causing bread to rise.
Is baking yeast nutritious?
Believe it or not, baking yeast is quite nutritious. It's a source of B vitamins, including thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, folic acid, B9, and cobalamin, B12. It's also rich in minerals like chromium, selenium, and zinc.
What are the health benefits of consuming baking yeast?
Here are some key health benefits. 1. Promotes digestive health. Baking yeast, especially when alive, can support a healthy gut microbiota due to its probiotic properties. This helps to promote better digestion and absorption of nutrients. 2. Boosts immune function. The beta-glucans found in yeast can support the immune system, helping your body fend off pathogens. 3. Provides essential nutrients. As we've already mentioned, baking yeast is an excellent source of B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production, red blood cell formation, and proper nervous system function. 4. Supports healthy skin, hair, and nails. The B vitamins, along with zinc and selenium, present in baking yeast can promote healthier skin, hair, and nails. Remember, while baking yeast has many health benefits, it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. So, there you have it. Baking yeast, a common ingredient in your pantry, is more than just a baking staple. It's a powerhouse of essential nutrients and health benefits. Keep in mind that if you have a yeast allergy or certain health conditions, you should consult with a healthcare professional before adding more baking yeast to your diet. We hope you found this information useful and enlightening. Until next time, here's to your health.